The concept of drone delivery, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, delivery, has been a topic of interest for many years now. The idea is to use drones to deliver packages, food, and other goods directly to consumers, reducing the need for traditional delivery methods and making the process more efficient and cost-effective. In recent years, there have been several companies that have started experimenting with drone delivery, such as Amazon, Google, and UPS. These companies have been testing their drones in various locations, trying to perfect the technology and figure out the best way to integrate drones into the delivery process. Amazon, one of the world's largest e-commerce companies, has been exploring the possibilities of drone delivery for several years. The company's Prime program was announced in 2013 with the aim of delivering packages to customers within 30 minutes or less using drones. Since then, Amazon has been working on developing its drone technology and trying to navigate the complex regulatory environment that surrounds drone usage. Despite these challenges, Amazon has made significant progress in testing its drones and refining the technology. The company has conducted successful tests of its drones in the United Kingdom and the United States, demonstrating the potential for drone delivery to become a reality. The drones that Amazon is developing for its delivery service are designed to fly autonomously, using advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms to navigate through the air and avoid obstacles. The company has been testing its drones in various countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. However, widespread adoption of drone delivery is subject to regulatory approval and still faces several technical challenges. Regulations for commercial drone operations vary by country, and in many cases, approval for large-scale drone delivery operations has yet to be granted. Despite these challenges, Amazon has made progress in the development of its drone delivery service. In 2019, the company received approval from the FAA to conduct limited trials in the US. Amazon has also received approval for drone trials in the UK, where it has been testing its delivery service in rural and suburban areas. In addition to regulatory challenges, technical obstacles such as battery life, flight time, and weather conditions must also be overcome before drone delivery can be implemented on a large scale. Amazon continues to invest in the development of its drone delivery program, with the aim of providing quick, convenient, and efficient delivery services to its customers.